So in this question, you're given that the focus of the ellipse is 0, 0 origin, and x is equal to 4 is the directrix, eccentricity is equal to half. You're asked to find the semi-major axis, that is the value of A. In a very straightforward question. So if you have a standard ellipse, we know that the focus is AE, 0 and the directrix is x is equal to A by E. Now what is the distance between the focus and the directrix? The distance between the focus and directrix is A by E minus AE, right? This distance is A by E, this distance is AE. So the distance from focus to directrix is A by E minus AE. And from this question, focus is the origin, x is equal to 4 is the directrix. So the distance is nothing but 4. So this implies once you have this equation, E is given as half. So A by E is 2A minus A by 2 is equal to 4. 3A by 2 is equal to 4. A is equal to 8 by 3 is the answer. So the semi-major axis of this ellipse is 8 by 3. Thank you.